Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Volkswagen Tiguan guys. And if you're trying to find where your T-map sensor is located guys, this is the turbo map sensor. Stay with us guys and we're going to explain where it's located. As you know guys, that's a turbo engine, 2.0 liter engine, and you're going to have two map sensors. One is known as the intake manifold map sensor and the other one is known as T-map turbo map sensor. So we're going to cover where it's located. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 free repair videos, and on this Tiguan here guys we'll have more than 300 to 400 repair videos on our channels guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return guys, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing this free information. Now if you guys need to buy a new sensor, replacement parts or tools for your Tiguan, check out the link in the description of the video below. I will go ahead, open the hood now guys. Okay, support it here, and I want to show you where that sensor is located and how to get to it. We will explain that. Now this is guys a 2.0 gasoline engine, and that procedure guys should work on the whole generation from year 2007 to year 2017 guys. If your engine looks like that, okay, the procedure will be the same. If you have the, I think in Europe, the 1.4 TSI engine, okay, procedure could be very close as well, and we're going to cover that today guys. Now as you can see guys, this is our main channel, auto repair guys. If you want to see the replacement video of that T-map sensor, it will be there guys, everything from start to finish. World Mechanics, we share information on videos where different sensors are located, because many of you ask me where just the sensor is located, because you can replace it most likely yourself. And we have guys a channel that's going super great. People love it. It's called Electrical Car Repair Life. Videos about that Tiguan, diagnostics, engine light diagnostics, airbag diagnostics, fuses, relays will be published there, so please check it out guys. We do all that so we can save you money. So this is guys a Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TSI engine. Now the regular map sensor guys, okay, the regular map sensor that's located on the intake manifold guys, okay, where that one is located guys, okay, check it out. I'm trying to show you now. You look around, okay, and at first guys, okay, you do not see where that sensor is located at all, right? I'm going to lift the engine cover, and at first guys, okay, you don't see where that sensor is located. And then guys, if you come to about right here, you're going to see that connector. This is your intake manifold map sensor. But where is the T-map sensor guys? The T-map sensor should be on the intercooler pipe right before the throttle body. Okay, that's where the sensor is located. And if you guys look at it, okay, let me focus a little bit. Make sure you don't stick your hands there, because the fan can turn on anytime. This sensor down there guys, okay, that sensor down there, this is your T-map sensor. Okay, you can see where it's located. I'll try to zoom in a little bit, okay, so you can see a little bit better. This is your T-map sensor right before the throttle body guys. Okay, this is the T-map sensor. So how you get to it, you need to remove that hose guys, okay, so you can get to it. We'll have the video on the channel how to do that, but as I said guys, the whole replacement video will be on auto repair guys, so please check it out. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.